Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So in today's video, we'll be taking a look at Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trading session. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So it was quite a volatile day in Nifty with a negative of 1.49% and Bank Nifty at 2.27%. So what's the way ahead? Let's decode it in today's video. First of all, as you can see here on the daily chart of Nifty 50, it is almost closed a few points below this harmonic level of 17,171, which was also discussed in the last video. So is the worst yet to come? Let's take a look at another pattern here which has a projected downside towards 16,989. Now another important point to consider over here is that this level of 16,989 also coincides or overlaps with the lower band of the channel. Also, you can see that this is a wide potential reversal zone for the index from where we can see some positive shift in the trend because of the 2 points that we've just discussed. Now, if we take a look at the hourly time frame, what has really happened in the last few trading sessions is that Nifty has broken down from this harmonic structure, and in Friday's trading session, after having opened on a gap down basis, it traded sideways for the rest of the day. And today you can see that Nifty 50 has resisted from the hourly averages and has continued its decline on the downside and is close to hitting the harmonic target of 17,000.75. So let's outline the possibilities. Number one, the index holds on to this low of 17,113 and thereafter it starts a pullback on the upside where one can consider these hourly averages at 17,393 and 17,469 as the resistance levels. Or number two, the index sees an extension of this decline, and in that case one can consider the level of 17,035 and 16,989 as immediate support levels, which is also overlapping with the hourly harmonic pattern that is at 17,000 levels as well. On the 15 minutes chart as well, the only sense we are getting is that Nifty is in a strong downtrend, as you can see that almost every candle has closed lower than the previous candle, and then towards the end of the day you can see that there's one positive candle. So for those of you who find shorter time frames handy, you can consider the averages in the 15-minute time frame at 17,255 and 17,331 as the resistances, and once again the level of 17,035 and 16,989 as the immediate supports. Now let's move to Bank Nifty. On the daily chart of Bank Nifty, this pattern that we were discussing in the last video has been invalidated, and a major thing has happened on the chart of Bank Nifty, which is that it has tested the budget day low but has closed above the same. So here we have a horizontal support line which is approximately at 39,400 levels, and we also have a falling trend line. Along with this, we also have this sort of a structure on the chart. Now this structure is suggesting that Bank Nifty may start a pullback towards this particular level, which is approximately at 41,000, and provided that it holds on to the level of 39,400. But the question that pops up is that what if 39,400 is taken out? In that case, the extended downside for Bank Nifty would open up and it can test the levels of about 39,089, and on an extreme side, I'll also keep the possibility of 38,157 open according to this particular pattern on the daily time frame. Let's move to the hourly time frame where this pattern was triggered in Bank Nifty in Friday's trading session, and today we have seen an extension of the same towards the level of 39,473. Now Bank Nifty has closed above this particular reversal level of 39,473, which happens to be an area of interest, as we discussed that this level lies in accordance with 39,400, which would be the key deciding factor for the upcoming trend. Now having said that, the chances of a pullback on the upside cannot be ruled out. Let's also take a look on the 15-minute time frame. So here as well we can see an extreme sell-off where the candles itself depict the story. So here on the 15-minute time frame, these averages at 39,901 and 40,180 can be considered as the immediate resistances, along with 39,400 and 39,089, which is a harmonic level, as the support levels. Apart from this, the mid-cap and small-cap indices were among the worst hit today, with a decline of almost 2% each, but there hasn't been any major development on the chart as of now, as they are placed above their safe levels. If anything were to change, I'll make sure to keep you all updated. So do let me know what's your take on the markets. And on that note, it's Gurleen signing off. Until we meet again, have a good time.